Hello everyone, this is Kaustuv Naik and today is 28th of July 2023. This is our third trade and I'm going to explain you what it is. So first let's jump into the screen and then we'll have a look. Okay, good. So we are on the screen right now. Okay, so I have taken a trade which is running in the at the moment, and the market is currently going to 45,560, and we are in 3rd August weekly expiry at 45,600 strike put option, and we are already up by nearly let's say 30 points, and we are plus by 4,000, and we had taken a trade previously at 45,400 call option, thinking that there might be a small reversal, but turns out that we were wrong, and it's completely fine, and we accepted our stop loss and made a quick change, and we decided to take a U-turn and then accept our loss and take a slightly bigger risk into putting 45,600 put option with nearly with 120 quantities at the strike price of 355, and here we are almost to recover our loss of 6,000, and we are going to aim for a break even day to day for this account. So we have 6,000 plus 6,000, which is 6,000, which is 0 rupees profit, 0 rupees loss, plus on an average the trade is going to cost us nearly 200 rupees. Let's take it as a round number and into 2, which would be 400. So we'll try our best to close it above 800 to a round of number 1,000, and we will aim for that, so which would be exiting at nearly 420 and above that price. Okay, cool. So let us have a look into the screen and how we are going to run into this trade. Right now the strike price, as you can see on the screen, is trading above 395, nearly 5,000. We are plus 5,000. Yeah, we just touched 5,000. Well, voila. I will stick onto this. Okay, the reason behind taking this trade is the market gave a slight bounce back reversal, which was a fake breakout. People were exiting from that place, and then more selling pressure came in, and from there we had to exit, and we saw a clear opportunity that this is only going to drive to the bottom. Okay, so we have almost been about to recover the loss, and we are nearly or you can say closely to 600 minus. Totally we are like 5,400 into profit, and it is just 120 quantities, not much. Okay, so okay, 300, that is it. Okay, boom, we have successfully reached our target, and 420 would be our exit because we are here easily, and it did not take us much of a struggle or stress. So I think 415, okay, 420 would be a better option to exit. I'm just gonna stay over here and then look how the screen is going to run up until a little later. 7,200 would be a better option if we can exit at around that price point. Okay, okay, minus again. We are again going back in minus. It went up until 1,200 plus. That's completely fine, and I am sure this trade will definitely work out because I am 100% damn sure that the strategy I have used is fail proof. Okay, so right now I'm going to prepare the exit. Let us click on the exit, and we'll put a target exit order at think a round of would be fine. So 420, let's say it at 420. Okay, so boom, I guess once it hit, I am going to be out of this trade. Okay, 16, 17, or maybe even it can go a little more as well. So I have placed the order, and boom, there we go. 420 has been finally exited, and you can see it on the screen, and we just exited. We have booked nearly 7,800. Our target was around 1,000. We have got plus 767, which is a good day to be ending at. Okay, so 420, you can have a look at the order book. How was our first trade? 387 was the entry price, and then we recovered the loss with the profit of 17 and 60. I mean 1760. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I guess that's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching up until here. I'll see you on Tuesday 10 a.m. with the trade which I will be trading on Monday. Okay, so thank you so much for watching up until here. See you, bye bye, and have a great weekend.